Calvin, is that good cake you've been eating?
You want more cake, Calvin? More cake?
Alright.
Here. Yes, I know the iPad is on, man. You all saw me. Hey, buddy, you want some cake?
Is that good cake, Calvin?
Gosh.
Does Aunt Joan know how to make good cake? Oh, goodness, it makes you do the shimmy dance. Woo! Oh, goodness! Daddy, watch it. It makes him shimmy.
Go play this if you leave me alone.
Daddy, look at him. He shimmies.
Whoa.
He does the shimmy.
Cake shimmy. He's like, man, that's like my second or third piece.
Calvin, are you having cake for dinner? Can I have a bite? Please?
Bye.
There's no fishing for all the time.
Wow.
Oh, when a candy king. Tree.
When you eat cake for dinner, you don't get a treat. Your cake is your treat, Cow Cow.
I didn't eat cake.
All you ate is the yogurt stick, though. You need something besides the yogurt stick if we're going to treat.
No.
You want to eat a cheese stick, too?
Cake is your treat, Calvin.
Cake is not. Cheese.
You like these kind, right? You gotta eat the whole thing. I don't want to see half of a cheese stick laying somewhere.